podcast Heroes. Today I am showing you an amazing and eye-dazzling app that is Animal 4D Plus. Guys, we all heard about 2D pictures and 3D pictures. 2D pictures look like a photo and 2D means two-dimensional. The D next to 2 means dimensional. But it looks like a photo and it's blank. It looks blank. But 3D picture, it's so beautiful. And it is three-dimensional now. But now the technology has improved. Now it is 4D. Now let's see what is 4D and how it looks, but I've never ever seen before. This is an example of a 4D picture. It is a chameleon. How did this chameleon get into my house? And it is sitting on my table. This is another example of 4D picture. Now it is a jellyfish. It looks so real, right? And it looks so natural. And how it can survive without water in my house? And this is another example of 4D picture. It is an octopus. These are all looking very real. But do you think it is real? Believe it or not, it is not real at all. I used an app, and we'll see two more examples of 4D pictures and animals. You can turn it by just dragging across your finger wherever you want to turn it to. And let's see two more examples. That previous one was a bee, and this is a flower. Look at it. It looks very natural, right? And if you want to see the ones in real life in your house, and follow these instructions. Take minimum 2 smart devices, and in first device install Animal 4D Plus app from Google Play Store. In second device, search 4D cards in Google Images. And how to see 4D objects. And in first device, open Animal 4D Plus app. In second device, search 4D cards, animal cards if you wanted animal, in Google and keep it on the table. And view from the first device where you install app to the second device 4D photos. Now you can see the 4D animals moving. It uses the camera. You need to put the camera side on the Google photo. And first device, install the app. and it uses camera. And second device, open Google Images, 4D images if you want to see and any object that you want, only in 4D. Guys, try this. Please, 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 please try this. It is so good. I enjoyed it a lot. It needs to be 4D, otherwise you cannot see the animals. Bye. This is the end of today's video or episode. Bye. I'll catch you next time.